adjectives. These adjectives in their masculine singular form and in two vowels, which is not very specific for, Croatian nouns, adjectives, pronouns in masculine form to end in not one but two vowels. For example, we have topao, dan je topao, or ending eo, debeo, and then on nije debeo. So I call this group of adjectives L group, and this is why. To make all other forms, we have to drop ao. So we are dropping ao, and then we have to insert an L, and then regular endings for adjectives. So topao in plural would be topli, L, and then regular ending for adjectives, nouns, pronouns for masculine plural, topli. Dani su topli. Or feminine singular, topla, la. Or juha je topla. Tople would be ending for feminine plural, tople. Kupila je tople čizme. Neuter singular, toplo. So ljeto je toplo. Toplo is warm, by the way. Or plural, neuter plural, ljeta su topla. So you can see that the endings are exactly the same as with the first group of adjectives, except that we have to insert an al. Now for this group, for adjectives that end in eo, we are just dropping o, so we are keeping e, but still inserting l to make all other forms. So debeli, keeping e, debeli, oni nisu debeli. Debela for feminine singular. Mačka je debela, the cat is fat. Mačka je debela. Feminine plural, le, debele, mačke su debele. Neuter singular, lo, debelo, dijete nije debelo. And neuter plural, a djeca nisu debela. So exactly the same as the first group of adjectives, except that we have to use L before regular endings.